What is your full name?
I am Mansi.
Okay. What is your candidate number?
110558.
Okay. Where do you come from?
I come from Namashar and it is a famous place because it is a birthplace of the martyr Bhagat Singh and it is directed in the east of the Punjab.
Okay. Are you a student or working?
I am a student. I am preparing for my engineering entrance exam and I take coaching from my city in the famous institute.
Okay. What is your future plans?
My future plan, I will live. I want to live in Canada in my future because I think there is my better success. I can take better success in that country because my family are living there. So that's why.
Okay. According to you, what is the major difference between Indian and foreign education?
There are many practicals taken in the foreign education, and apart from that there are many facilities also available and their environment is also good. But however, when we talk about our India, then yes, there is also a good education provided by the education minister, but there are less opportunities because population is more in India, so that's why.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are traveling and sometimes I also listen to music to relax my mind.
Okay. What kind of music like to listen?
Mostly I listen to songs, motivated songs which motivate me in my study.
How often do you listen music?
I usually listen to music twice a week because I have a busy schedule because I preparing my entrance exam, so that's why.
What type of music people like to prefer in your country?
It depends upon the people to people. Mostly it depends upon the ages of the people. Like young people, mostly young people prefer to listen the Bollywood song. Like nowadays, that is very popular in our country. And when we are talk about adult person, they listen to songs which have a meaning, some meaning, like to motivate in their work.
What type of music people like to listen or prefer or like to play in weddings and or special occasions?
Nowadays, mostly Bollywood songs are popular in my country, so that's why that are play because youngsters prefer to that songs. And yes, in weddings there are also the songs which are played which having a bass and some meaningful content and text. And yes, it also depend upon the people choices.
Okay, so why music is so important in your life?
According to me, it relaxes my mind because I usually listen to music when I feel stressed. I recently completed +2, so in +2 when I feel embarrassed and stressed, so at that time to relax my mind I listen to music, and sometimes it also motivated me in my worst situations when I feel demotivated.
Have you ever been to any live music concert in your life?
No, not now, but yes, if I will get a chance, then I definitely go because I like many singers. And music is a common and the popular thing. I think many masses prefer to that.
In your school time, is music an important subject?
No, in my school time, music is not an important subject. Yes, because it is not a compulsory. When a student, yes, it is the students who have interest in music, then they take the classes of the music. But it is not important because students did not give preference to that.
This is your 2 part. You have 1 minute to prepare. Ready? Okay, start.
There are many jobs which I do not like, but today I would like to talk about the job which I do not like because I have not a very strong heart, so that's why I do not prefer the job to be a doctor. And I know it from my teachers and parents and also my cousins, and there is my one cousin which have a job having a profession like a doctor, and they also prefer me. They know about me. I have a not strong heart, so that's why I am fair about it, because every experiment is consisted in that job. When we are treated a patient, then we have a strong heart. We cannot fear about anything, and so we have also a patience, and I have not a patience in my life, and sometimes I also feel nervous in some situations. That's why I didn't prefer. I do not prefer that job, and doctor's life is so busy. At any time, at anywhere, they call it to attend their patient, and I do not live that life, because I live my life with my family also, because I like to spend the time with my family and my friends also. So that's why I do not prefer to that job. And yes, it is a difficult job for me, because I do not give my whole time to my patients. So that's why, and there is also a main reason that my family also was not is also not supported me to be choose as a profession to be a doctor. That's why, and however, when we are talk about the other jobs, then according to me it is beneficial for me, because in future, according to me, I didn't give my whole time to my patients. So it is not good for patients, that it is a risk for their health also, because I am also feel the nervous in some situations. And yes, I didn't like it because
Okay. What is your dream job?
my dream job is to be a computer engineer.
What type of jobs people like to prefer in your country?
There are many jobs which people prefer to in my country, like teachers, doctors, accountants, and engineers. Yes.
Okay. Why there is less job opportunities in the smaller cities?
According to me, there are no many sectors, because the government have not at much monetary resources to open their companies in all the small towns and cities, because it also a burden on the government. So that's why there are less job opportunities on the small cities and towns. Yes, and there are people less prefer to go in a small cities or towns. When we are talk about the large cities and towns, then there are many facilities available with the apartment also. So that's why.
Why people prefer white collar jobs?
According to me, according to me, they feel that they are tidy and clean in that job, and they do less hard work in the white collar jobs, and they also get more facilities in the white collar job, and they spend their only working hours on that job.
Okay, you can leave now.